What's going on YouTube? GSNO right here. So in today's video we have another massive update to Misaka Package Manager, a tool that allows you to install tweaks and themes without being jailbroken on iOS 16.0 all the way up to iOS 16.5, 16.6, even 16.6.1 and stuff like that. This tool is actually quite massive. You can install TrollStore with it, custom icons, real themes, and now a new update is out. This video is brought to you by ForMiki, a software that allows you to remove the iCloud activation lock from secondhand devices if you got scammed on eBay or Facebook groups and stuff like that, and you bought a secondhand device that turned out locked, and of course the seller vanished. You can also turn off the camera sound and stuff like that. Definitely check the program out in the link below. A free trial is available for both Windows and macOS, and there's also a 20% off coupon available down below. Definitely check it out. So just a couple of hours ago we got the Misaka version 8.0.8, and this one is not the only update that we've got. You can find the latest version here on my website on the Misaka article. There's always going to be the changelog of the tweaks that you can install, the compatibility and stuff like that, so you always know what's going on with Misaka and what's new in all the versions. But yes, 8.0.8 is out, 8.0.7 is out, 8.0.6.5. So in the past 2 days we actually got quite a lot of updates. The version 8.0.8 fixed iOS and iPadOS 16.5.1 KFD, or the kernel file descriptor exploit. Then on the 8.0.7 we got unsupported tweaks are now grayed out so you don't confuse them, added tvOS support to repository loader, added tvOS and Apple TV to path variables, and some more environment variables. And then on the 8.0.6 we got unsupported tweaks are grayed out and added tvOS support again over here. Then on the 8.0.5 we got the fixed repository load error, so if you got this kind of error it's now fixed, and Misaka for Apple TV is now available. So if you have an Apple TV on the proper version, you should now be able to use Misaka in there as well. So you should definitely go ahead and download the update 8.0.8 because this one should include all the fixes listed above, and this should indeed fix some issues with Misaka. Now more and more info is surfacing that the POF Lenda exploit that everybody believed works on iOS 16 all the way up to iOS 16.7 point something was actually silently patched by Apple in iOS 16.7, which means iOS 16.6.1 and stuff like that is supported instead of 16.7 point stuff. However, that still leaves a lot of versions supported, and I have updated in here the Misaka compatibility list so that it doesn't list 16.7 anymore. But anyway, go ahead and download the Misaka version 8.0.8 and update your Misaka right now to be able to install tweaks and themes without being jailbroken. Thank you for watching. I am GSNO. Peace out.